How to delete a WeTransfer transfer full guide 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a WeTransfer transfer. If you've shared the wrong files, no longer need a transfer, or simply want to improve your file security, deleting a transfer is quick and easy. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and visit the WeTransfer website. Sign in to the same account you used to create the transfer. After logging in, go to your *transfers* or transfer history * section, where you'll see a list of your recent and active transfers. Browse through the list and find the transfer you want to remove. You can check the file name, upload date, or recipient information to make sure you've selected the correct one. Once you've found the transfer, click the **3 menu * or more options * button next to it. A menu will appear with several actions. Select Delete Transfer from the list. WeTransfer will ask you to confirm your decision because deleting a transfer cannot be undone. Click Delete * or Confirm * to continue. Within a few moments, the transfer will be permanently removed from your account. After it's deleted, anyone trying to use the old download link will no longer be able to access your files. This is especially useful if you accidentally shared the wrong document or if the files are no longer meant to be available. If you still need to share the files later, you'll have to upload them again and create a brand new transfer with a new download link. And that's all.